Hello and welcome to the unboxing of this USB C Hub by EKSA. This is a Thunderbolt 3 USB C Hub for MacBook Pro. There you can see. This is primarily for a MacBook Pro. Unfortunately, I don't have a MacBook Pro, so I won't be able to demonstrate how this actually works, but I can still show you what this particular USB C Hub looks like. I'm going to open the box now. So let's see what all the things we have. Okay, we have a Type-C hub T08 instruction manual, an important document that you should read at least once. And finally, we have the EKSA Type-C hub. There you have two Type-C out ports right over here. That's great. And along with two protective covers, I'm going to leave them here. And on this side, you have a Type-C in, two USB-A ports, two card readers, as a micro SD card reader and a larger TF card reader, and another USB-C port. That's a great touch. And on this side, we have a HDMI port. Now that's another great addition as well. We have the EKSA logo right over here, you can see. And that's more or less it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Type-C hub by EKSA. Thank you for watching.